In front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So first of all, just open list of all apps, then go to the settings. Now locate about phone and then click 7 times on New version right here. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let me go back. Now you need to scroll a bit lower and click on additional settings. Here you will notice developer options. Smoothly click to open, and now you can use all the features that are presented here. And if you would like to perform some operation, if you would like to activate some feature, just click on the switcher and that's it. Then if you would like to deactivate this function, just unmark it, and this is it. Whenever you would like to close and turn off developer mode, just unmark developer options indicator, and as you can see from now on, it is not active. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.